2, 3. Baby, 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 don't you know yet? I've been on a high.
Hi and welcome to another weekly vlog. Good morning everyone. It's pretty much the same as any other day of the week right now. Later on today, my daughter Holly, she's coming up to bring 2 of her dogs up. Chris is going to be doing an airport run a bit later on today. So yeah, it's just like a bit of a general potter, and so I'm going to do dinner tonight, but I've got the easy bits to do. So I'm going to do cottage pie tonight because we both really like that. I know it's hot and people say, why are you having a hot meal on a hot day? But there's things that we need to be using out the freezer, to be honest. But Chris has already chopped up the onion and the carrot, so I don't have to do any, well I couldn't do that anyway, so I can do like the easy part of it. So I'll be doing that a bit later. And he's doing things now like replenishing stuff, like he's bought kitchen towel in, he's bought fairy washing liquid in to top up like the dispenser that we've got. I think you've just topped up the coffee pot, haven't you? Yeah. The Law coffee, as you know, we only really like the Law coffee. It's our favourite. And right now he's just like putting the gravy bones from 2 open boxes into one. So I've just stuck my wash on. I'll show you what I've done so far. I have wiped down this work surface. That's changed there to go into the little money box, the money jar. At the moment I'm giving the cooker a little bit of a wipe. There's the mince out ready for tonight. These are the wipes that I'm currently using at the moment. They're really nice, so they're apple fragrance, and these are from, yeah, these are from Lidl. That's the washing up liquid sort of dispenser that we use. Previously it had Method washing up liquid, but it's got fairy in it at the moment. I've got whites in my machine, so currently these are the things that I'm using. So I've got the Surf Coconut Bliss, that is lush, smells lovely. Because I've got some whites, I've put this in, the Ace, and that's the Ace for whites, and then some Comfort. Excuse my tablets, they're my ones this afternoon. Isn't it weird, right? So I said the other week in one of my vlogs that I have never, ever, ever, ever been able to keep an African violet for as long as I've kept this one, and it's actually got flowers. It's just so beautiful. But how weird that this little baby one here is a baby from this one, and yet this one's got this colour flowers, and the baby from the same thing has got that colour. Is it because this is a younger plant to this? Would you know? If you know, can you just let me know in the comments below? And also, can you let me know if I need to repot this? Because I think I do. If I do you know how I repot this? You know, do I need to go just one size up, or do I need to give it plenty of growing room? I really don't know. Maybe I should Google it. Okay, so wipe the table all round. I managed to do that. This orchid here, it just does not look real, but it is. Chris picked this up for me. Oh my goodness, weeks and weeks and weeks ago. He came home and said, here you go, got you a present, and it was reduced to £3 in Tesco's, I think, and it's just beautiful. So it goes to show you don't always need to pay a lot for your orchids. So we've still got the work in progress going on out there. We're still waiting to hear from Gary about the decking. So I'm going to clean my cooker off a bit more. I've been saying to Chris, my legs need shaving, my legs need shaving. So he's gone to get his razor and he's going to shave my legs for me. So yeah, this is going to make a little bit of entertaining content, isn't it? Darling, make your face. It's a new job for you, darling. Hire you out to shave the legs of ladies that are unable to do it themselves. Right, we're on the second leg now. My legs, guys, they're just like milk bottles. Look, they're so white. And look, smooth as a baby's bottom. Thank you, darling.
Smile.
And he actually did my right armpit as well. Here we are then, my love. So I've done the cottage pie, put it all together, and I've since stirred in some more. I had a little bit of frozen veg left, corn, peas, had a few peppers in there. So I've just popped the whole lot in together, and what I'm going to do is, because I can't peel any potatoes and I didn't ask Chris to do any before he went, I have got this in the cupboard which I got from, I think I got this from Lidl's actually. I'll show you what it's like when I've assembled it all together. Now then, my love, so it's all done. I've put on the potato slices. It's like a dauphinoise potato type of thing really, and I have grated just then a little bit of cheese to pop on the top so it goes a lovely golden brown colour. But yeah, that's dinner ready for tonight. And guess what? Other than the chopping, I've managed to make it. Well then, my lovely, so here's the cottage pie straight out of the oven. So it's still all bubbling and lovely and golden and calling us for our dinner. And Chris is just making gravy to go with it. This is one of the things I got from the car boot sale the other day. It's stunning. Just put the sconces up now, and I think they look really nice there. Give you a little close up. There you go. Actually really pretty. Good morning everyone, it's Saturday morning. I was going to say Friday, but it's actually Saturday morning. I haven't done too much videoing, as you're probably aware by now. I did do a video that went up on my channel yesterday, and that was my Friday's face mask, part of my new sort of little mini series that I've been doing. You've probably already seen that anyway. Chris has just popped up to the shops to pick up a few basics. I'm left here with the dogs, so fingers crossed they're all going to be really good. We've got our 3 dogs, so we've got Oscar, Elsie and Teddy. Then we've got Barney, who's on holiday. Paige and Tallulah are my daughter's dogs. And Dylan came in yesterday. We've had Dylan lots of times. He's so cute, but he's a little bit shy. It takes him a little while to get back into the swing of it being here. We're all off out tonight. We're going to have a family meal. Our grandson Max, he's going to be 13 tomorrow. My twin boys, they're going to be 30 on Monday, and one of our other grandsons, Ethan's going to be 13 on Tuesday. So the 1st, 2nd and 3rd of September are always really, really busy. But as it's special birthdays like 13 and 30, we're having a family meal. Ethan and my daughter and her husband and Annabelle won't be there because they're actually currently on holiday at the moment. So a bit later on, I'm going to have the challenge of trying to get myself ready, trying to decide what I'm going to wear. Once I have decided and I think I look okay-ish, I will share with you and show you what I'm wearing, put a bit of makeup on, attempt to do that so I look okay, not like a flipping clown. And then, of course, trying to choose something from the menu that I can eat without having to, things like steak and that are out because obviously I can't cut it. Oh my God, I've just seen a spider and so is Elsie. So I'll catch up with you later. She didn't get it. She saw it, she sniffed it out, she tried to reach it, but she didn't get it. It climbed back up the radiator cover and it's gone inside. Now I feel all uneasy and on edge. Oh, hurry home, Chris. Yeah, so I've just got this because I can wear it across one shoulder. So it's just a little white gypsy top. And then I've just got this black pair of harem pants on. I don't feel done up, I don't feel glamorous, I don't feel any of those things, but I'm clean and I'm presentable. And that's all I can be at the moment. So just going to go out and have a good time with the family. It's a happy Sunday morning, everyone. Happy Sunday morning. We've got Barney, Teddy, Paige, Dylan, hello babes, Elsie, Tallulah, and then we've got leader of the pack over
Me.
there. Dylan, hello. This is just a normal day in our house. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Oh, don't you start, Mrs. over there. It's all quiet on the Western Front. Chris is hoovering in the other room. I've got some of the dogs in here and they're all very quiet. Two of them cuddled up to me, as you can see. Paige and Elsie, they're just over there on the beds and on the floor. Oh, curtains moving, so that means Teddy's moving from underneath the sofa. But yeah, it's a funny day today. I've been a little bit tearful this morning. I just think it's getting to me, you know, combination of discomfort, but I think more frustration. As you know, I'm a get-goer and I like to keep my house on point and everything, and it just is so difficult not being able to do the things that I normally do. This morning I've had a little bit of a tidy round as much as I could do. Sort of cleaned my worktops with one hand. The only thing is, you see, because I suffer with rheumatoid arthritis, because I'm using my right hand for everything, that is starting to really hurt and all my joints are flaring up. So I've had a few tears and I've had a bit of a reality check, and I know I need to spend the next couple of days just recoiling a little bit. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. My son Luke's coming over later on today to help out, so that's going to be amazing to have him here and to help out. And yeah, we've got friends coming over a bit later on today as well, so that'd be really, really nice. So I don't know whether I would do any more vlogging for this weekend. In fact, I probably won't now. I'm just going to chill out for the rest of the day. So I will see you all in upcoming videos that I've got planned, and hopefully I will see you next week in my next weekly vlog. I so appreciate all of you guys sticking by me. I know the last few weeks have been pretty boring, but I still want to sort of touch base with you all, you know. And I do appreciate your patience so much. But I'm going to say goodbye for now, and I'll see you all very soon. Please, all of you, take care. Bye for now.